Hello students, how are you? I hope you are fine. I am also fine as well as you. Today I will teach you some questions based on exercise 5a and the exercise is exponent. I will solve some questions based on this exercise, and now we just see question number 14. Okay, and question number 14 is find x. Exercise 5a, question number 14, and the question is find the value of x, where x is an unknown and the question is 3 upon 5 whole power 3 into 3 upon 5 whole power minus 6 is equal to 3 upon 5 whole power 2x minus 1. This is the question. Question is 3 upon 5 power 3 into 3 upon 5 power minus 6, 3 upon 5 whole power 2x minus 1, and the question is find the value of x. Then find the value of x, means x is unknown here. And what is 3 upon 5? This 3 upon 5, this 3 upon 5. This 3 upon 5 is rational number. Okay, it is given in a term of fraction and its exponent is 3. Here is minus 6 and here is 2x minus 1. यहाँ इसका एक्सपोनेंट 3 है, इसका माइनस 6 है और यहाँ 2x माइनस 1 है, और आपको x जो अननोन है इसकी वैल्यू फाइंड करनी है. व्हाट इज द फार्मूला? वो फार्मूला क्या है जो आप अप्लाई करोगे? यहाँ इधर दो रेशनल नंबर हैं, देयर आर टू रेशनल नंबर इन LHS एंड लेट द रेशनल नंबर इज a पावर m into b power n. Then you may write it, you have this formula a into b, a power m into b power n. No, here is a power m and a power n, then a power m plus n. You will use this formula a power m because here is 3 upon 5, base is 3 upon 5 and here base is 3 upon 5, base are same and the sign between these two rational number is multiplied, then you will add their exponents. So you may write it 3 upon 5 whole power 3 and plus here is minus 6 and is equal to 3 upon 5 whole power 2x minus 1. Now we just see a power m equal to a power n. Then if base is same on the both side, the base are same. यहाँ इसका बेस a है, यहाँ भी बेस a है. बेस जब सेम है तो इनके पावर भी इक्वल हो जाएंगे. इट मीन्स here base is 3 upon 5 and here base is 3 upon 5, then we will equate its power or its exponent. Then we get what we get, 3 plus minus 6 is equal to 2x minus 1, or we may write it plus into minus. When we multiply two opposite sign, then it gives minus and 2x minus 1. 3 minus 6 we get minus 3 is equal to 2x minus 1. What should we find? We should find value of x, and x is unknown here. Then we transpose minus 1 to LHS, then we get minus 3, and this minus 1 when transposed to LHS, its sign will change and it becomes plus equal to 2x. Minus 3 plus 1, it gives us minus 2 इक्वल टू 2x। अब हमको x की वैल्यू फाइंड करनी है, सो वी मे राइट x इज इक्वल टू, हियर इज मल्टीप्लाई, देन वी डिवाइड दिस 2 by this 2 to this minus 2, means we get minus 2 upon 2 and it gives minus 1, means x is equal to minus 1. Finally we get x is equal to minus 1. This is the value of x. If we want to verify this, अगर आप ये वेरीफाई करना चाहते हैं, जांचना चाहते हैं कि क्या ये सोल्यूशन सही है या गलत है, तो आप इस x की वैल्यू को यहाँ पुट करके देखें। x की वैल्यू -1 है, 2 इंटू -1, -2 एंड -1 -3, इट मीन्स 3/5 होल पावर -3, एंड हियर 3 - 6 -3, इट मीन्स x value of x which is unknown in this equation is -1, x is -1, and that is the answer. It means the solution is right. Yes, it is answer. What is the value of x? X is equal to -1. Note it. If you have any problem, then you may ask me. आप मुझे पूछ सकते हैं, आप अपनी प्रॉब्लम मुझे कह सकते हैं। आप व्हाट्सएप नंबर जो है ग्रुप में, उसमें क्वेश्चन आप दे सकते हैं, और उस ग्रुप में मैंने एक अपना कॉलिंग नंबर दिया है। उस कॉलिंग नंबर पे यू मे कॉल मी इन द स्कूल टाइमिंग, एंड योर स्कूल टाइमिंग इज 9 to 2, 9 AM to 2 PM, मीन्स 9 बजे से 2 बजे के बीच में आप ये क्वेश्चन मुझसे पूछ सकते हैं, कॉल करके पूछ सकते हैं। इन द रेयर केस, रेयर टू रेयर केस, you will call me, otherwise in the group you will post your question. Okay, next we just move to next question. Now we just see question number 16, and the question is simplify. Question is given you, the question is 16 into 2 to the power n plus 1 minus 4 into 2 to the power n whole divided by 16 into 2 to the power n plus 2 minus 2 into 2 to the power n plus 2. Okay, and the question is simplify this. Now we just see this question, how we'll simplify this question. And in easy method I will tell you how will you simplify this. 16 to factorize 16 prime factor of 16 in term of 2, in term of 2, 16, 2 to the 4 to the 8 to the 16, means 2 comes 4 times, 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8 to the 16, means 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, 4, 2 to the power 4. It means you may write it 16 is equal to 2 to the power 4 into 2 to the power n plus 1 minus 4, you may write it 4 2 square into 2 to the power n, 16 2 to the power 4 into 2 to the power n plus 2 minus, here is to power 1 into 2 to the power n plus 2. Now you have a formula, if a power m into a power n, then you may write a whole power m plus n. Now we use this formula here, 2 to the power 4 into 2 to the power n plus 1, then we may write it 2 to the power n plus 1 plus 4. Okay, and minus, here it becomes 2 to the power n plus 2 whole upon 2 to the power n plus 2 plus 4, and minus here 2 to the power n plus 2 plus 1, and then what it becomes, this is 2 to the power n plus 5, n plus 5 minus 2 to the power n plus 2, here is 2 to the power n plus 6, and minus 2 to the power n plus 3. Okay, and now here we use vice versa of this formula, means a to the power m plus n, we will break it a to the power m into a to the power n. Why? Now we just see, we can write it 2 to the power n into 2 to the power 5. Why? Because here 2 to the power n plus m means a plus b, m plus n, then 2 to the power n, here is n into 2 to the power 5, okay, minus 2 to the power n into 2 square, 2 to the power n into 2 to the power 6, and minus 2 to the power n into 2 to the power 3, 2 cube. And then here we see, what we see here, 2 to the power n, and this 2 to the power n is common. Similarly, in the denominator we see that 2 to the power n, here 2 to the power n will also common, then we may write it 2 to the power n, and within bracket 2 to the power 5 minus 2 square whole power 2 to the power n within bracket 2 to the power 6 minus 2 cube. Here is multiply and this multiply, so 2 to the power n and 2 to the power n is divided, and then it will gives you 1, it will give you 1, 2 to the power n, 2 to the power n, it is divided, and what we have, 2 to the power 5 minus 2 square upon 2 to the power 6 minus 2 cube, and it becomes 2 to the power 5 means 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 means 5 times, and it will give you 32 minus 4 upon 64 minus 8, and what we get, 28 minus 56, 28 1 ja 28, 28 2 ja 56, means simply after simplify answer is 1 by 2, and that is the answer. This is not only one method to simplify this question, केवल यही एक मेथड नहीं है इस क्वेश्चन को सॉल्व करने का, एक और तरीका है इस क्वेश्चन को सॉल्व करने का, एक और मेथड है, वो मैं यहाँ से इसको चेंज कर सकता हूँ, यहीं से इसको मैं अलग कर सकता हूँ. कैसे? अगर आप देखें इसका दूसरा तरीका यह है, यहाँ से हम कॉमन ले लेंगे 2 to the power n plus 2. दूसरा मेथड यह है 2 to the power n plus 2 अगर मैं कॉमन ले लूँ तो हमारे पास यहाँ क्या मिलेंगे, 2 cube minus 1 and 2 to the power n plus 3 common. When we take common 2 to the power n plus 3, we have to get 2 cube and minus 1. 2 cube minus 1, it becomes 8 minus 1 upon 2 to the power n plus 3 into 8 minus 1. 8 minus 1 is 7, and this 7 is divided by this 7, and then we have get 2 to the power n plus 2 upon 2 to the power n plus 3. It becomes 1 upon 2 to the power n plus 3 and minus n plus 2. 2 to the 1 upon 2 to the power n plus 3 minus n minus 2, 1 upon 3 minus 2. This n will cancel by this n, and 3 minus 2 means 1, 2 to the power 1 means 1 by 2. And this is the another solution of this question, and it will give you 1 by 2. Both the answers are same, so you may solve this question by this method, it is simple method, and by this method. Okay, and now your homework is you will complete this exercise up to question number 18. There are 18 questions in this exercise 5A. I have solved question number 16 and 17, 18, and the rest part of this question of this exercise we will complete and post in the group. Yes, okay, thank you.